Oh my gosh, this feels so soft. Like so soft. Like legit, it feels softer than even when I first purchased it, okay? Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lorianne and today I'm going to be doing a little something different with you guys. I'm going to be doing a laundry hack where we will be sanitizing and restoring your towels simply using some vinegar and baking soda. Now, when I first came across this homemade remedy, I was so much in disbelief that it was actually going to be effective. So I decided I wanted to give it a try for myself. So usually you're only supposed to use just 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda. However, because my towels were extremely soiled, I decided to go ahead with using 1.5 cups of vinegar and 1.5 cups of baking soda. So what you're first supposed to do is go ahead and place your towels inside of the washer, putting it on either extremely hot temperature or sanitization mode if you have that setting. Unfortunately, I didn't have that setting, so I went ahead and I used the really hot water temperature. And you're going to go and run it on a single cycle using just the vinegar. Then when that's completed, you're going to go ahead and run a second cycle using the baking soda. Now this can be done using either clean towels or dirty towels. Because I really wanted to give it a try, I decided to use extremely soiled towels and washcloths. Now once both cycles are completed, you're going to go ahead and place your towels and washcloths inside of the dryer and placing that on an extremely high heat as well, or sanitation mode if your dryer permits that. And then voila, here you have the finished product, your newly refined and restored towels. Alright guys, so let me just start off by saying, okay, immediately when I opened the dryer and I looked at my towels, I noticed an immediate difference in terms of the texture. Then when I was pulling the towels out and placing them into the laundry basket, I had the feel, and let me tell you, okay, I'm so stunned. I'm not even gaslighting. I'm legit so stunned, okay? That actually worked. Vinegar and baking soda, okay? Like, oh my gosh, this feels so soft. Like, so soft. Like, legit, it feels softer than even when I first purchased it, okay? The whole purpose, they said, was to restore your towels, restore their softness, their texture, their feel, get them nice and fluffy again. And let me tell you, it worked, okay? Like, and because they just came right out of the dryer as well, so they're nice and warm and toasty, like, you guys, I legit can just wrap up in this and go to sleep. Okay, let me check out the rags or washcloths, whatever you want to call them. What do you call these? Do you call them rags or do you call them washcloths? Let me check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. So yeah, I'm shocked. I'm very shocked. I did not think it was going to work, especially because, you know, my towels were soiled, okay? They were completely dirty. You know, you can either use that same method on clean towels, or you can use them on dirty towels as well, because it does also sanitize. I simply sanitized and restored my towels, okay, by simply using vinegar and baking soda. Do I even need laundry detergent anymore? Like, do I even need any laundry detergent anymore? Tell me. Should I just be saving my coins? Because at this point I feel like, oh my goodness. And honestly guys, during these crazy times, okay, when things are gonna get real scarce, I guess it's good to have alternative means and have alternatives to, you know, what we usually use, and finding things that are more readily available, things that are more cost effective, things that are homemade. I wonder if maybe you can add a couple of drops of essential oils next time, you know, if you want to give it a little scent. I think maybe I'm going to try that. And I also wonder if the same remedy is as effective on your bedding, because if that's the case, hello, hello, my $30 that I spend on my my Tide Pods, okay, that I spend on my Tide Pods, I can be saving, because it's what? It's like $2 to get a jug of vinegar, and baking soda is $1, if even that much. Look, listen, okay? Linda, listen. Guys, I am super duper impressed. I am so impressed. Look at this. Look at this. You know what I should have done? I almost low-key wish that I folded up the towels before and was able to show you a side-by-side of the before and the after, because even you can just see the thickness. Like, it, like, oof, look, like, you don't even know. I can go to sleep right here on this right now. Like, this is, I am so stunned. So, I guess overall my verdict would be, the shit really works. It really does work, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure I had these towels for, I want to say about 4 or 5 years now. 4 or 5 years, okay? And you guys, I'm telling you, it feels like brand new again. I'm gonna try my next go. What I'm gonna try doing is adding a few drops of maybe, you know, some lavender essential oils, something that's nice smelling, you know, because there's no scent. Like, literally, it's scent free, which I'm sure would be great if you have like skin sensitivities, such as myself. Me and Liam have super sensitive skin, so even our laundry detergent that we use, it has to be the Tide, the gentle one, as well as our like fabric softener sheets, everything, it has to be gentle, so hypoallergenic, things of that nature. But yes, I'm definitely gonna try these with my bed sheets next, and my like my comforters, all of that, see how that works out. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'll show you guys a video of that as well. Let me know, let me know in the comments below if you'd love to see me do a video of that as well, so you can see just how effective it is with that. Yeah, in the meantime, your girl's gonna say some cons, okay? A move over Tide. Vinegar and baking soda is taking over, okay? But anyways, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. I'm gonna continue folding up these clothes. I'm gonna continue folding up these towels and just basking in their softness and their new refined beauty. And I'm gonna continue just folding up the remaining bit of washcloths or rags, whatever you call them. If you're from the Caribbean, more than likely you call it a rag, okay? If you're more westernized, I'm sure you reference it as a washcloth. But I'm gonna finish with, oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna continue with this. I'm gonna finish up. Thank you guys again for tuning in for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button. Also be sure to share the video if you feel that there's somebody who could benefit from this hack. And also be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, especially if you like to see more videos from me, anything related to home hacks and all things great in that regard. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you all in the next video. So as always, take care, stay blessed, and toodles for now.